through the chat, communicating ahead. Okay. All right. So I can see everyone's camera is on. Rishul is again, I cannot see you. Never mind. All right. Everyone, am I audible and visible? Give it a thumbs up in the chat quickly. Write A and B. Write A and B in the chat that I'm audible and visible. A and B. Yep. Okay. Janel is saying A. That is, I'm not Janel. It's. Hmm. Bless me. God bless me. All right. Okay. Perfect. Now tell me, all of you, have you all ever created projects in your school? Yeah. Projects? Yes, everyone. Yep, everyone. Students. Absolutely. Everyone might have created the projects. Do you have used MS PowerPoint for your projects? Ever? What do you think? Which tool do you think is there with us that can be used for creating presentations? Write in the chat. What all tools you guys are aware about? What all AI tools are what all tools are there in the market that is used to create a PPTs? MS Word, okay. Chat GPT, okay. GenSpark, Canva, perfect. Meta AI, oh, all right. Good answer, students. Yep, all of you. Okay, perfect. Present AI perplexity, okay. All right, ChatGPT, yeah, ChatGPT is giving, okay, perfect. I won't deny. I'm completely agreeing with the students that yes, we are using Canva, Scratch, Perplexity, ChatGPT, etc. But these are somewhere lacking in making a very accurate and perfect presentations. Moreover, they are maybe somewhere time consuming because when ChatGPT keeps on loading, it really gives us a not even desired presentation also, if you guys know about, right? So so today's topic is again related to this only that we are discussing about presentation. So we will be dealing with very important and useful today's AI tool is Gamma AI. Gamma AI is again a PowerPoint presentation maker and even a website builder in today's industry that we are having. Let me just send it for you. So we will be dealing with today Gamma AI PPT maker. Okay, let me share my entire screen with you all. Entire screen. Okay. Now, as you guys can see for now, just a second. We normally create school projects or school PPTs by simply opening the PowerPoint dashboard, right? This is how it looks like. And we click on each and every slide. We have to click on each and every text to edit the photos. This is a pre-designed something. This was where I have chosen it from the files, from the template which was already there or prepared. If I just go for the blank presentation, it is again blank. Everything is blank. We have to start from the scratch. So students, if you are given with any project or topic and you are asked to create any PPT with a deadline, is this time consuming? Say yes in the chat. Yes or no? Creating PPTs from scratch and that too also not too much interactive and engaging, isn't it time consuming? Yes, absolutely. Yes. Okay, well done. Yes, absolutely, it is time consuming, but AI is there with us. AI is our friend. AI has provided us with a very beautiful AI tool that is none other than Gamma AI. So we are having Gamma AI. We'll search for it. As I search for Gamma AI, we will be just clicking on the first link, and it usually says it is even mentioning in its introduction that it is a best AI presentation maker and website builder, designing stunning presentations, websites, and more with Gamma, all in one AI powered design partner, no code and no design experience. Even if you don't know how to design, even if you don't know coding, you are completely set for it. You just need not to worry about it. You will be offered with this. AI presentation maker, AI PowerPoint generator, AI instant presentation maker, presentation slide generator, and lot more things are offered from this Gamma AI. One more thing, students, I request that you should not be going for hands-on something just side by side. Make sure that you are completely concentrated and focused to what am I sharing on the screen rather than applying and doing hands-on thing in your laptop or computer, because you will be distracted, that you are not going to follow that and not going to this, because we will be having a doubt session at the end of the class. Till then, you guys have to just learn and listen to me very carefully what this Gamma AI tool is about, and rest, the ball is in your court. You can just explore what all more features you want to. Take care, everyone. Give it a thumbs up in the chat, everyone. Are we going to learn to be build websites from Gamma only? For sure. Rishul, for sure. Okay. Now I'll be just clicking on it. If I just click, this is how the Gamma interface looks like, and we can see a lot more options with us. This is how the presentation. This is the recent presentation I have created 35 minutes ago. These are my presentations which I have already created within just 10 seconds. 10 seconds it took me for me to create. Okay, what if I just open it up? Open anything? Okay, no, no, no. I'll not be clicking on opening. Rather, I can see there is new gamma, there is import, there is new create AI. For say, we are just want to create a presentation. I will simply be clicking on create new AI. I have clicked on it. Okay. Once I have clicked on it, I'll see such an interface, such a platform, create with AI. And it is asking me how would I like to get started, as in I want to generate something. I want to paste the text, the my content I want to paste. I want to create from template, or I want to import some of my existing documents or presentations or web pages, and I want to make the editings or modifications. So I have four options, four main options with the Gamma AI, and rest is the pro plans or something we are having subscription plans. It is already said last use that I have used it lastly. So I'll click on the first card which is says generate. Once I have opened, I can see a lot more options with me. What lot more options are saying this? Presentation. Presentation, that means I want to create presentation. The first thing is cards. If I just scroll to it, these cards, this says cards are like slides, because presentation are having slides, right, everyone? So creating slides, we are having number of slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After this 10, you guys can well observe that this is written plus, pro, and ultra. That means if I want beyond 50 cards, beyond 50 slides, such a big presentation I want, that is not for free, for sure, that we have to purchase the plans, the subscription plans ultimately, and we will be able to make it whatever number of size of slides we want to. Apart from that, we have this classic. Again, this is a pro thing. Classic is something editable text and images are there, not something with more advanced features of editing. Then we click on the default and we can see how aspect ratio needs to be, how the size of the card needs to be as we want. And I'll be just clicking on tall, traditional, and default. I'm just choosing default only. And whatever language I want, I will just click on language. I want English language only, so my English language is already chosen. I don't want my language to be changed. All of you give it a thumbs up. Are you understanding? Perfect. Gamma AI. Take it. Now, I have opened the first card. It says, now you can see some example prompts are also there for say, uh, how to brew the perfect cup of espresso, book report, the boy joy, or whatever it is. These are some example things. Okay, what if I say create an AI PPT? Once I will click on this create an AI PPT and generate outline, it is going to give me the content for this one single prompt. I have just written one single line prompt and it is going to give me 10 slide content. Yeah, it is going to give me a 10 slide content. Hmm. Once it gives me a 10 slide content, I will be clicking on generate. Okay. After that, I will have lot of more options as well. Now, if I see the options which I am being offered is three dots. These three dots ask me to drag. If I want, suppose I want this AI, the game changer of the presentation, I want this card to be up. So I'll simply drag it. I can see the hand is there automatically if I click on the number. I click on it and I'll drag it to the second. It has come to the first only, but not the first. I want it to the second. The first is my heading and see it is being changed. This is how we can drag and drop our things as well in the Gamma AI, that which content or which slide do we want on the first, on the priority, and which not. Yeah. After that, we are having this, yeah, we are having things. Now, if I just double tap on these content, I can even create it. I can even edit it. If I say craft index in minutes, in seconds, anything I just want to add, I have just marked it in seconds. Whatever I want to add. Hello, my name is Ria, etc. Anything. So I can completely do that. I can really do that. There's no problem in that. We are able to edit whatever content which is generated by AI. We can able to make modifications or whatnot editings if we want to. Next, we are having AI, the game changer, like whatever content. Now you can see points are there. Only 2 points have been by default generated by AI. Now, if I want, I can even click on it and I can hit enter. As I hit enter, my another point is being given to me. I can automatically write it another point. AI is future or whatever. Again, I hit enter. One other point is generated. AI is future. Again, we are learning. Whatever points I want, I can just create on it. That's on me, whatever I want from my own, because the content which was generated was completely AI based. Okay. All right, so this is how we can make a lot of changes. After that, at the end, we can see we can click on add card as well. But we were limited to only 10 cards and make sure students at the bottom, at the top, bottom left, we are having credits. 194 credits I am having. You will be also having certain number of credits and and those credits are just for free given to us. If we just ran out of the credits, we will not be able to make use of any of the feature or the option in Gamma AI. So we have to take care of this. I have already created a lot more, so I will not be creating and generating for a live session for now. But yes, I'll be explaining you all. And this is what written in tokens. Okay. Anyone can tell me what this tokens means in the chat quickly. Quickly, can you guess an idea that what these tokens are? What this length is about? Anyone? Whatever doubts or questions are there, students, you guys are free to write in the chat, please. For editing our PPT, number of letters Ara Visarogi. Good job. Maybe the word limit. Good, Liana. Arave as well. Journal for editing our PPT. Editing our PPT, no, my dear, but no doubt. No problem. Good attempt. Okay, yes, this is the number of letters. Basically, tokens are like words. The number of words that we are having. 50,000 words are acceptable, and for now 657 tokens or like words have been generated. Okay. So yes, that's how it works. Now, for now, we are limited to 10 cards because again, we want to go for the subscription. The free credits offers us only 10 slides per presentation, not more than that. Okay. Again, if I come to at the bottom, I can see I have this text content, right? Once I'll click on it, text content, I can see amount of text per card. Per card is the here per slide. If I want detailed, it will be detailed when I will generate it. Like long paragraphs or lot more content will be there in the slide in the card. Extensive, more detailed, more comprehensive. Concise, limited with some visuals, and minimal, too much short, too much less text and visuals. Now, if I scroll down again, I can see visuals, theme. Theme is there, right? We have a titles. Some titles are there over here. And I can choose whatever titles I want. First, I'm choosing pink color. I like pink color. So I'm choosing that. And at the bottom, we can see that we have image source. That is whatever images that we want in our slide to add in our presentation to add, we can add. But from where we want, I have chosen web images, AI images, anything animated GIFs if you want, you can choose. But I have just chosen web images because from the internet, it will be so easier for me to fetch the images. All of you are understanding students, give it a thumbs up or yes in the chat. Or whatever your doubts, keep writing it in the chat. We'll come to it at the end of the session. We will be having a doubt session, no worries. Give it a thumbs up or yes or something. Arabis Saraugi, you should write in the chat. Arsh Khandelwal, Prachi Jain, Rishul, Kavita Gambhir. You guys are off cameras. Please come on camera. Listen very carefully, stay attentive, stay interactive in the session, students. Perfect. Next. Now, if I have just chosen web images. Now, after that, I have all images. Like I'll just click on all images. Yeah. All images are there, free to use commercially. These are some of the filters that we are having that from the internet. If you want, you can choose the images which are free to use. You can choose the images which are not free to use. No, which are free for commercial purpose or whatever things. I've just chosen all images. I don't bother that. Okay. Now that is done. Now if I just click on at the bottom, it says advanced mode. I click on advanced mode. The interface has changed. Everything is exactly the same. I have my content, I have my theme, I have my format, images, everything. Yeah, some other things are there right for. Like you are you are creating this presentation for what? I'm creating for my school students. I'll mention that. This is just an additional thing to add. Okay, you can even expand this as a placeholder. You can expand. Got it? And tone. Tone should be academic since I am using it for my school students, and it has to be academic, right? School students will be get understanding the academic things. Okay. Next. Next, we are having visuals again. We can do that. Now, on the left side, if you, sorry, on the right side, if you guys can see, we have a prompt. This was my prompt already, which I have given. Additional instructions. Additional instructions says what? Say colorful. Create. चांदनी चौक से पनीर दो प्याजा मंगा Create colorful images and insightful content. I want, this is some additional instruction I'm just adding. That I want some colorful images and insightful information. Everyone, make sure that you guys are understanding and stay attentive in the session. Okay. And editing cards we have. And now if I just click on generate, it will generate a beautiful presentation like this. A beautiful presentation comes in front of me like this. This is my presentation is generated already because I have already used my credits for so long. This is how my credit PPT comes out to be. Now, allow me 1 minute, please. Okay, students. Arabi Sarogi, make sure that your camera is on. All of you, please sit properly in the session. Maintain the decorum as well. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so my presentation is generated now. Now, if you guys can see, if you just click on the slide, it automatically give me the cursor which is blinking. That means it is allowing me to change whatever changes I want. Even if I just want to choose, I'm choosing my text. As I have chosen my text, it is exactly the same which is there in our PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint. Yes, we have bold, we have italic, we have underline. I want to change the heading. I want to make it a little smaller, little bigger. The color I want to change to red or purple or something. I can do that. Easily, I can do that. This allows me. Even any other text also I want to just edit, I can just edit. No coding, no coding background, no IT background. For learning AI tools. Yes, students? Okay. Now after that, I can see that the PPT which is being generated has given me some of the points like learn thing or whatever. Or according to the understanding, it has given me this. I will be simply clicking on everything to change. Learning is a power, learning is power, etc. Whatever I want. I will apply dots. If I want, I can apply anything. If I just click on this, as I'm taking my cursor, it is saying change icon. I can change that as well. Just click on it. After clicking in on, I can see lot more options available to me and I can choose any one of them. For say, yeah, this one. See, it has changed. Yep, everyone, give it a thumbs up in the chat if you guys are understanding the things. Okay, perfect. So, yeah. Next, we are having IT means information technology. The students, those who are from the background of science, the students, those who are not from the background of science, they can also learn AI tools. That's what IT means. Okay. So we are having again think. If I click on change icon, I can change my icon as well. I want this. I have applied that. It's simply we can just make whatever things we want. Moreover, if you can just see, if I just click on this, the entire box, that particular box is selected. And we can see edit the layout. If you want, we can edit it. What editings can be done? Suppose I've chosen this. Now, I want to edit the icon, to remove the icon, to add the item before something or after something, to duplicate the item, that means to add one more point, to change the color of it. Let's change the color. See, the color has been changed. Yeah. If I want, I can change the layout also. What this layout means? Everyone in the chat, what is the meaning of layout? Student, mm-hmm. I have 9 participants. I can only see the answers from three. What about others? Harsh Khandelwal, Rishul, Mohammed Pati Jain. You guys are neither answerable nor turning on your cameras. Okay, Rishul has given the answer. Fine. Yes, all of your answers are particularly correct. That yes, layout is something which gives me how the things are going to be presented. I want to change it to the left, to the right, to whatever. So if I just click on change layout, I can see it is being loaded. Suggested layout. Yeah, you can see now. These are the layouts. This is the way how we want to present, how the things to be presented. Is it this much, this way you want to like show? Is it this way? Is it this way? Is it this way? I want this way. I have chosen it. Applied. Simple. I have just changed my layout. I have the option. I have done it to make it more creative. We can use the layout according to the data, according to the content that we are having. This was something easy, so we have just broken down into 4 kind of steps that we were learning. We want to think, we want to analyze, and we will be growing. Okay, everyone. Again, we have alignment, left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, whatever things we want, we can do that. Next, if you want, we can even delete that. We have the delete option as well, and we can do that. Okay. Now, at the bottom, if you guys can see, it says add a card with AI. That means we can even add a card with AI. That is, if I want, I can just write the prompt to AI and says that give me a card which give me the conclusion of AI. So it will generate a card for me. Again, it will cost us the credits. Add a blank card, I can click on it. It will give me add a blank card. I can see image or text I want, columns, table, right, left, generate the card with AI. All these options are given to us. This is something we can create from scratch. That is, AI is. Okay, I've already made it there. Okay, let's delete it. Delete. It is deleted. I have made a AI's future. Now, ultimately, as I have hitting enter, it is already saying me to add the image, to add the table, to add more blocks, or like what. If I want, I can add the table. If I want, I can write hello, or I can say 7 p.m. batch, AI batch. And I can click on plus to add more rows, AI tools. It's like anything. This is how my table is being generated. Yep. And again, we can see that a lot more things have been already done. We have created everything now. We can even create edit our images. If I just click on this image, I can see the options. Edit with agent, edit the image. I can edit it as per my convenience, as per I want. If I just click on edit the image, it asks me how you want you to edit. You want to change your layout. You want to use it as a card background. I can even use it as my card background. Is that gone? See, the background has come like this. Yep, everyone. Again, if I want, I can just go for any other editings or things. Now, since my presentation is completely done, it is being generated for me, I can share it. Now, let's come to how we can share. At the top, again, let's come to the first option. We have theme. If I click on theme, it again opens up with multiple options that we can choose. And let me say just I'm taking dark one. My entire presentation has turned dark. If I want a silver, it's again silver. If it says colorful, I'll click on colorful. It will give me some colors like this. Whatever. The things can be easily done. Now, at the end, this is not looking nice. Yes, students, shall we change it? Let's change it to something clean and pretty. Keep it yellow only. That is fine. Okay. Now, if I just see, I have the option again share. As I just take my cursor, this gamma is viewable by everyone at Ria Kala's workspace. That means whoever will be opening my link will be able to see my presentation. He or she will not be able to edit because the controls are in my hand. I can say that edit, comment, view, or access. I will say only to view. There's no comment or no edit option. Again to view. And this is my copy share link. As I've copied my share link, I am just ready to share it with everyone and they can actually view my PPT. All right, everyone. Yep, students. And apart from that, we are having export. If I click on export, it says download a static copy. Like we can, of course, the presentation humne banai, the presentation which we have generated, which we have created, we need to install it. Sorry, like we need to download it. We need to keep it in our local system. We need to use it now. I want that thing to be with me. I cannot always open the link. I want it to be offline as well. So to make it offline, we have the two options, either custom range or all cards. All cards means all the slides will be visible. And if I click on custom range, so I have that custom range as well. That is at 1 to 5, that only first five slides I need to download, or I need to download first last five slides, or I need to download between four styles or slides or something, 4 to 8 or something like that. So we can do that, right, everyone? Now click on export to PDF. If I want to click, I can get my exact PPT in a PDF form. If I want in a PowerPoint, I can get exactly in a PowerPoint form. If I want in a Google Slides, I can get the same. If I want in PNGs, I can get the same as well. After that, it even gives me the option you can post directly to LinkedIn. Quickly, everyone in the chat, tell me what is LinkedIn. Be very quick in answering this question. Everyone, I have 9 students with me. Alright, yes, good job. Liana and Rishul. It is basically a social media platform that is completely intellectual and education based, where you search for job, where you connect with a lot of market researchers and other people. All of you see my screen. Is it visible? I have just typed LinkedIn. Let's search LinkedIn. If I just search LinkedIn, I'll open it up. This is a platform for professional engagement. It is completely similar to Instagram or Facebook, because there also we can chat, we can post, we can update a reel, we can apply a story, we can re-mention, we can mention, lot more things can be done. But it is entirely professional. As you can see, events are there. We can see for any technical events, technical fest, etc. It says you can post a video, you can post a photo, you can write an article. People can read your articles, your posters, your they can react, they can comment, they can like the things, they can comment, they can even download the things you are having, they can read, post it, they can send it to someone, they can forward it, and a lot more. You can make connections, you can make so professional connections from it, because a lot more peoples are connected. Microsoft leaders are there, finance minister is also there. So this is where a platform where like many professionals are just interconnected. You guys are having 5 seconds. Who is the CEO of Google in the chat right now? CEO of Google. Timer starts now. Liana, Janil, Aravel, very good job. Absolutely. Good one. Okay, very good one, everyone. Let us see who is he. Yeah. Do everyone know? Have you ever seen the person? This is the CEO of Google that we are having, CA Sundar Pichai, an Indian. The Indian he is. Okay. So that's what we can connect with different people, and we can make connections with this LinkedIn. We can click on jobs. You will see number of jobs available. It says be an early applicant. It even gives me that web development internship is there in Delhi, in Chennai, in these locations. If I will click on that, I can even apply. From sitting in this four walls of a room, I can apply. I can even click on internship or on site, or I can click on apply. I can read the job description, and I can completely give it a apply. Okay. We have the computer science. See, all options are given, all jobs are given. We can even filter out that which location job I want. I can even search for jobs in Greater Noida, jobs in Delhi, computer jobs in Delhi, teacher jobs in Delhi, etc. Anything. And I will get such things. I can read everything, and I can give it a hit button that yes, I'm ready to apply this job. Yes, everyone? Okay. So it says that you can share your achievements so that the professionals can engage with you. They can reach out to you that yes, this is a child who is active with using AI tools and regularly posting and giving the achievements that today I have used Gamma AI tool and I have prepared a presentation. That's how LinkedIn is used to share a lot of your achievements. Everyone, okay? And if you can export it, it's their agent, open agent. If you just click on agent, again the agent opens. It is asking, ask me to create, edit or style anything. We can ask for anything that edit the theme or edit whatever. But I don't want that. Again, we have a present. If I just click on present mode, all my side bars, menu bars are disappeared. I'll just have to click on button ahead and it will keep on going. I can just present it the way we do slideshow in the MS PowerPoint. Above that, we have a exit. We have spotlight. We can turn on some spotlight as well. Suppose this is the thing I have chosen to be highlighted the most, something which is very important to be highlighted. Number two, number three, number four. Did you all see, everyone, how this spotlight works? Spotlight means something which we are highlighting and just disappearing the other things. Yeah, yes, students, everyone. Okay, so this is how we can just click on exit and our presentation is ready with us. You can even create a lot of other things as well. If I go back to the home page, yeah, we can go ahead for the paste in text as well. If I just click on paste in text, I can just text here that to create a PPT with this content. Like I want to write the content, I want to give myself content. Okay, and suppose I want, so I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll ask ChatGPT, give me a gamma prompt for AI tools content for 10 slides. I'll just write and I'll hit enter. It has given me this content completely. I'll just copy it. I'll paste over it and I'll paste over it. Then I can just remove the other things and see my content is again pasted. And I'll just click on generate from notes or an outline. It will generate my entire PPT from this given content and it will click on continue to files. This is how we can generate. Okay, the second option is again we are having document. All of you know what a document is? Everyone? Quickly in the chat. Are you aware about documents? Okay. Are you aware about social media? Of course, social media is again ask us to say that which thing we want. We want square post, we want a square or like that. Okay, what is a web page? Everyone in the chat. Page of a website. Good one, Janelle. Pages that create website. Good. When you store your important stuff as documents. Absolutely. We are having our data. What is a web page, students? My question is. Yes, everyone. All right. Web pages hold. Okay, everyone. That is correct. That web page is basically a page of the website. This is the web page that this is a website completely, but this particular page is what we call as a web page in it, and collection of web pages is only what we call a website. Now if I switch to document, this is another web page that opens. Social, another web page. Presentation, another web page is keeping on opening, and this completely creates a website that we one after the other choose, right, everyone? And we can create that as well. So this is how ultimately we can create beautiful things. Create from template as well. Now we have some provided templates also. We can choose the templates. Everyone can see a lot of templates are there. See, choose any template and start creating. It says edit a copy. If you want, you can just edit a copy of it or you can create from template only. You will get the same template and you can give your own content. This is what can be done as per your choice. Okay. And lastly, we have import file or URL. It is giving me three options: import from Google Drive, import from URL. If I want, I can enter the URL also for, say, any URL. Suppose this only. I'm just choosing this URL only. Import. If I just click on import, see, it has been imported. Now, if I click on continue, it will just give me the content which the URL will be containing. Moreover, I'm having upload a file. I can just click on browse files and I can choose any of the file. For, say, machine learning, I have chosen. It is uploading me. That is my PDF basically. So if I want, I can just transform my PDF, my document also into presentation. Yeah. We need not to upload any particular presentation only. We can just upload document also. We can upload PDF also. We can upload anything and that can be easily transformed into document, web page, social presentation, anything. See, we have options. This is my PDF. This PDF can be converted to presentation, web page, document, social. So we did not need to think that what all document I am having. I can upload it anyway and I will be able to get the thing. All right, students. Now the doubt session begins. We are done with today's Gamma AI PPT tool. All of you can just give me your doubts in the chat quickly. Is there anyone with a doubt? Write it in the chat. If not, then we can wrap up. Okay, one by one, students are typing. And a collection. Do we have to sign in to use it? Yes, Arav, you will have to sign in. Then only you will get free credits, okay? Now from today onwards, the things have been completely changed. There will be no linkage from the previous sessions. There will be no homework. There will be no work. Nothing at all, as it has not been earlier as well. We can just new session, new AI tool. That's it. Explore. The ball is in your court. You guys can explore. Now, since you are aware about the AI tool, how to use it and what to use it in it. Can we make any video? Actually, Prachi, this AI tool is particularly for not videos, rather it is particularly for PPT or website builders or document or social that you can well see. That's not for video. For video maker, we have lot many other tools. Anyone can just type in the chat what video maker, what tools, AI tools do we have for video maker? Janelle, you will come to know in tomorrow's session as well. Any other intellectual doubts if you guys are having, we can discuss on it ahead or else we can just wrap up. Ma'am, at the end, which you have explained it also gamma is. So is there any difference which you have taught in the beginning? As in? I didn't get Liana. There is no difference which I have taught in the beginning. It's same gamma only I have been teaching in this session today from beginning till the end. Yeah, at the end, no. Meta AI can make videos. Yeah. This is again gamma AI only. Yes, absolutely. See? This is gamma only we are working on. This was LinkedIn, which I have just took into between for a moment to explain you guys what a LinkedIn means, a social media application for jobs. Entirely gamma is only we are working on. Meta AI can make video. Any more students? Okay. You will come to know what AI tool we'll be learning tomorrow for beautiful music or beautiful video creator. That is something wow. Okay. So all of you give it a comment in the chat. How's the session today? Was it helpful? Was it good? Did you all learn? It is runway, okay. Did you all learn, everyone? Quickly give me a comment in the chat about the today's session, or else we are wrapping it up. Okay, great, cool. Janel is reacting. Okay, Janel. What about Sanmeet, Arsh, Mohammed, everyone? It was very interesting, Prachi and all. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Good evening. Let's meet tomorrow with new AI tool, okay? Okay, Ara. Okay.